Let's open Jodi's 8 luxury mystery bags and 1 jewelry mystery bag. She wished for blue, pink and white, and if the tag matches her wish color, she gets 1 free. New customer get an extra bag. Let's go. Green. CD colorful diamond bangle, so nice. Easy to open. White. Get 1 more. Mia white gold hoops, so cute. White. Get 1 more. TD silver bracelet, sweet and cool. Yellow. Selly necklace with multiple 3D charms, so beautiful. Pink. Get 1 more. 1 same style bracelet, perfectly matched with a set. Blue. Get 1 more. Lulu wide ring, beautiful. Blue. Get 1 more. Buck royal blue necklace, I like it so much. Purple. Selly earrings, can be perfectly matched with that necklace and bracelet as a set. Pink. Get 1 more. CC hollow out diamond ring, so cool. Green. Buck 5 flowers bracelet, so nice, can be matched with that necklace. Red. Buck same style earrings. Orange. CD colorful zircon ring, matches with the bangle. Yellow. Buck same style ring, a complete set that perfectly matches the previous one. Orange. TD silver blue necklace. Red. Lulu silver little waist necklace. Jodi baby, your 8 luxury mystery bags become 15. You are so lucky, congrats. Free gift for you. Thank you so much for your tips and trust me. Next open 1 jewelry mystery bags for Jodi. Orange. Get 1 more. Dopamine colorful layered necklace, so beautiful. Orange. Get 1 more. Dainty gold layered bracelet, effortless French chic for everyday outfit. White. Octagonal star-studded diamond opening ring, so nice. Jodi, your 1 mystery bags become 3. Hope you like your order. Thank you so much for your support, love you.